Others say hi.
Hello guys.
So we are back today to show you a very different case, which most of you might not even know something like this exists, and especially for people who are struggling with weight or heaviness on their face and they are not able to get rid of it. So guys, today we are doing something known as buccal fat reduction. Dr. Adarsh, can you please explain what exactly is this buccal fat reduction?
So, in our facial anatomy, there is two main muscles, buccinator and masseter. In between that, there is a big buccal fat pad is there, which goes to the upward area and this lower area of the face, lower eye area of the face. So, lot of people have issues with their chubby cheeks. They don't want that chubbiness. They want instant reduction in their facial contours, facial designing in mid portion of their cheek. So for that thing, if we want instant results, we can remove that particular buccal fat pad. There is a big pad of fat cells is there in between two muscle layer. We just have to remove a little bit amount of chunk of that fat. What we have removed from her one cheek,
Oh God,
such
that's
amount
so
of
much
fat we have removed from her one cheek,
Yeah.
and there will be visible reduction in this particular area. That chubbiness will get reduced. So person's zygomatic prominence and jawline prominence will naturally be there.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, for the basic thing, so this is like a walk-in procedure. So you just need to, take a consultation, do some blood test, and it's kind of a lunchtime procedure. It just takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, and no major, downtime to it. Just a little bit of swelling that we have, that is almost majorly going to be inside the mouth. So swelling is something, obviously, whenever we go under the knife or, we inject something, we all know there is a slight amount of swelling that we get that subsides in 2 to 3 days. Other than that, it's a very comfortable procedure. The results are immediate. And how long do the results last, Dr. Adarsh? Is question ko please aap hi answer kariye, because you will be able to explain it better.
Results, longevity of results is totally dependent on patient's maintenance and patient's lifestyle, because we are removing that particular fat, but body have tendency to remake it and rebuild it. So there will be again fat accumulation in that particular area. So if you will live specifically for weight loss regime, then that thing will be permanent. But if you will gain weight in routine life, that area will get filled with fat again in next 2 years.
Okay, so for example, if there is somebody who doesn't want to lose weight but wants a slimmer look on the face, doesn't want to exercise and all, we've come across such patients also a lot of times, and they go for the buccal fat reduction, and after 2 years they want to do it again, when the fat accumulates again. So can they do it again, or is it a once in a lifetime procedure?
No, you can go for fat reduction again and again. But why you have to go again and again? Once you have achieved an optimal result, just go and maintain in your routine life, and that result will be permanent.
So this is like a push. So apart from this, guys, if any of you are looking to consult us, if you want to look slimmer, or you want a slimmer look, so there are a lot of Okay, so there are a lot of other things, that can be done apart from buccal fat reduction. Things like fillers, lipolytic injections, threads, Botox. That's a combination of a lot of procedures which can achieve you like almost anything. Then obviously there's face liposuction, and if we go into some minor surgical or surgical procedures which can make you look slimmer, chin implants and all, but it all depends on the patient's face. So first we see, and then that's how we recommend. So nowadays we get a lot of patients who just say that, you know, I want chin fillers, I want buccal fat reduction. They don't want a consultation. They are like so sure about the procedure they want. But sometimes in our opinion, something else would have worked, you know, better for them. Because when we see a patient, we just don't see a patient. We try to understand their lifestyle. You know, what is going to work for them for in a longer run. For what procedure the results are going to last long, what is their lifestyle, how much exercise do they do, what work do they do, and what are your expectations for your results. That's how we like to guide you. So whenever either you come to us or go to any doctor, guys, don't just say at, you know, first this is what I want to do, doctor. I want to do Botox for my fine lines, I want to do this, that. Just tell them your concern, your chief complaint. Let them guide you and let them tell you what is going to be the best option for you, and then probably you are the judge to choose what you want to do. So we are almost like done on one side, and suturing is going on. All of this procedure is intraoral. There is going to be no mark, nothing on the face outside. It's all done intraorally. What else have you planned for this patient, Dr. Adarsh, and what have you done in the past for her? Because since she's an old patient.
So we did lip fillers previously in this particular patient. All of you have liked so much her post filler treatment.
Yeah, and it's been almost I think 1 month or 2 months to her filler. So let's just post, you know, something tomorrow. Post her picture that we have taken today. So lip fillers have been done and you really like the results. That's what Dr. Adarsh was saying. And what are you planning now? What is her concern now? And what are you planning for her?
So right now we are doing buccal fat reduction, and after that we are doing some fat reduction in her chin area and double chin area with the help of fat melting injections. Those are called lipolytic injections. So that will also give punch in the fat reduction of the face. And then we are planning chin fillers to enhance the prominence of lower side of the face.
So guys, I think that's all for now, and do subscribe to Dr. Adarsh YouTube channel by the name of Dr. Adarsh Tripathi, and do check out our videos and like them. And if there are any questions related to this particular treatment or any other treatment, you can always DM us your queries and we will be happy to help you. Even if you're not from Delhi, we will be happy to provide you with assistance and guidance as to what according to us would be the best treatment protocol for you. And you know, probably even if you can't fly here, you can get it done from someplace else. So we are all for helping our patients, and that's all for today, guys. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
So all right, bye bye.